Hello everybody, this is Natasha Advani and Intuitive Life Designer. Today let me tell you something. Changing the world starts with changing yourself. And wait till the end, there's a nice tip. Only when you change yourself will you see a change in other people in your life. Let me tell you, it's very important if you want to achieve anything in your life is focus. It's very important to have self-control in your life, because when you focus on a certain thing, you're focused on your thoughts. Thoughts are energy. Okay, thoughts give energy. So when you're focused on self-control and you want to achieve that, with the action you take, you will achieve it. But the problem with nowadays people, human beings, is there is so much distraction everywhere. We get distracted every second, with social media, phone coming, or someone calling us. So we are not very focused. When we are not focused, our energies also, they go haywire. They are not in one position. So that's why we cannot achieve what we want in our life. So it's very important to have self-control and be focused in life. Another important thing is be detached with the outcome. We have to take action steps every day, but do not be attached to the outcome. Why? Because it's very important first to enjoy the journey. Okay, destination will come, but if we are sad, we are depressed, we have that needy energy, we will not be able to achieve what we want in our life. And we always feel, oh, in 1 year this will happen, and if it doesn't happen, what will we feel? Sad and detached. But the universe always says, that you have to be happy no matter what. If you want more money, it's very important to be happy in life, because the vibration is very important. So it's very important to take action, be focused, and be detached to the outcome. Detachment, we think detachment is being detached from the world, being detached from our friends. No, detachment is that we own nothing. Nothing owns us. Example, they say we really don't own anything. We are stewards of planet Earth, but nothing should own us. That means nothing should be that distractive or that mesmerizing for us that it owns us. For example, if we are seeing movie, whole day, 10 hours, 12 hours a day, it's owning us. We are not living our life, and then we say we can't achieve our goals, we can't achieve our dreams. No, if you want to, for example, have more money, you have to take action, daily steps, action, how to achieve it, what is required. Am I being too distracted? Am I wasting too much time? If you want to have harmonious relationship, you have to work towards the relationship. What can I do for my partner today? What will make my partner happy? So these things are very important. So don't be attached to the outcome. That's very important. And see what really shows up in your life, because there are people who are very successful and who have it all, but actually they are really internally not happy. There's so much happening around. People are jealous, they are envious, there's hatred, there's depression. And there's, because there's so much social media, all the apps of Facebook, Twitter, or WhatsApp, there's so much of distraction happening in our life. So we don't know how to self-reflect. There's no time to self-reflect. We focus, there's so much of noise outside, but I think more than outside, we should focus on the noise which is in us. And how can we really self-reflect? At least 5 minutes or 10 minutes of the day, 15 minutes, just be in the present and be in the now. Just close your eyes. If you want, listen to some nice, meditative music. I do a lots of online classes on meditation where people see lots of results, because I feel meditation is not only sitting down and meditate. No, meditate can be your painting, your dancing. It's being in the moment and enjoying the moment. The problem with a lot of human beings is they are either the mind, it's focusing either on the future or it's focusing on the past. We are not being in the present. So it's very important to focus on these little things, look inwards, see what shows up in your life, self-reflect every day, and self-control. Because if you really want to achieve any area of your life, if you want to see success, any area of your life, you have to be focused on that particular thing without being distracted. It's very important. We can do the same work, okay, and we thought we finished the work in 3 hours, but if you are focused with no other distraction, when you're doing one thing, there should be no mobile, no phones, no one really distracting you. Because you know what they say, if your mind is distracted, that they say it takes, I think, 20 minutes to get back to the original mode. So we are not in that productive state of mind. So it's very important. Please do these tips, and I would love to hear from you. Please subscribe to my channel and comment what opened up for you trying these techniques, and I would love to hear from you. Share this video with your family or friends, because nowadays no one wants to focus on themselves. They are focusing a lot on outside, which is not going to help. So look within, see the difference. I do lots of sessions, one-to-one sessions, where people have seen magnificent, okay, fantastic changes in their life doing this and doing certain techniques I tell them to do. So please do that. Share this video and subscribe to my channel for more tips. See you. Have a great day.